Hello everyone, today we're gonna create a passive income source from using only Chat GPT. With Chat GPT, we're gonna create an ebook and monetize it on social media platforms. The first step is to choose a niche. For this, I'm gonna ask Chat GPT to choose one for me. I'm gonna pick one out of the list. For this video, I'm gonna choose the self-improvement niche. After we choose a niche, we're gonna ask Chat GPT to write an outline for the book. While the content is generating, it would be great if you guys can smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will definitely help me a lot and make me want to make more videos for you guys. After the outline is done generating, we're going to copy the entire outline and paste it onto a Google Doc. We're going to use Google Doc because we can save this file as a PDF. It's very easy to format and it's free. We are then going to copy one of the topics under the heading and paste it onto ChatGPT and ask them to write a chapter for that topic. It will then start generating content for that topic, and after it is finished, we're going to copy everything it has generated and copy it right into our Google Doc. And we'll repeat this process for the next topic. Our next topic, we're going to copy and paste it onto ChatGPT again. We'll do the same thing, ask it to write a chapter for it, we'll get the content, and we'll do this rinse and repeat until we have every single chapter in the ebook. The next step is optional because I'm just going to teach you how to make an ebook cover. Watch if you like it, or you can make your own cover. This is just how I like to make mine. Next step is that we're going to create a book cover for this ebook. So we're going to go on Canva and we're going to create an ebook cover. We'll choose one of the free templates, and I'm just going to do a quick example here. I'm going to say self-improvement as the title for the ebook. After you're done with the cover, you're going to save it as a file, and then you're going to upload it onto a blank Canva page. After that, you're going to click on the image and click edit image, and then you're going to go to mockups and search and look for the one where it shows you a book. Like this one right here, it will change it to a book and it looks like this. The reason why I want to make a cover like this is because we can put it onto a banner like this on Gumroad, the platform we're going to be selling it on. It just makes it stand out a lot more. This is just an example of an existing ebook that uses this method. Like I just mentioned, we are going to be selling this on Gumroad. Some other platforms that you can sell on could be Amazon Kindle, Shopify. There's a lot more, but I think Gumroad is the most beginner friendly one. Gumroad has a lot of features already done for you. All you gotta do is publish the book and get a traffic source going. For a traffic source, I recommend using social media, and in particular I recommend using TikTok because it has the highest potential to generate lots of sales fast. The ideas for using AI are limitless, and I hope you learn something and take action right away. If you want to learn how to create YouTube videos with AI, click this video right here and make sure to subscribe if you want to learn how to make more money.